Missed ride one of the week, but we're still out here. We're doing it anyway. Alrighty, everybody, welcome to season 2 of Fat to Fast. It was a great season last season, but last season it was truly about miles on the bike, building that foundation, and just genuinely proving that I could stay in the fight. This season it's going to be about structure. I have 2 coaches this season, and no, I'm not paying for them. Coach 1 is going to be Garmin, and Garmin is going to be my cycling coach. And I mean, it's going to be the same as last season, hard rides, you know. And then who's my second coach? My second coach is actually going to be ChatGPT. I'm going to utilize it as my strength and conditioning coach. And I'm excited for all the hard workouts that it's going to put me through. Between the two, I can officially say I have no more excuses. I guess let's get to work. This week, the plan was simple. Zone 2 rides, 2 hard efforts, and getting back in the weight room. Nothing fancy, just showing up and getting the legs turning. With the ultimate goal of rebuilding my foundation. Week 1 is never pretty, but it always tells the truth. And this week came with a reminder of where I truly am. So we went out for the 20-minute effort today, and the legs just gave out. The stack of all the riding this week, getting back after the 116, every single thing led up to the failure. But I don't view it as a failure, genuinely. I view it more as we now have our starting point, and we know where we are heading next week. There was supposed to be a lift today, but unfortunately, there's going to be no lift. We need to take care of the body. That way we don't get into a fatigue hole and can't recover all off season. Alrighty, y'all, so week 1 has been tough. I'm still sore, I'm still tired, but this week is not about perfection, it's just about momentum, and I'm continuing to show up. That's what counts, right? Week 1 wasn't perfect. I was tired, I was sore, and I didn't finish the 20-minute effort. But I showed up, and that's where every rebuild begins. That's week 1 for y'all. It's not perfect, but it's a start. We're rebuilding from scratch, one day at a time, one ride at a time. If y'all are following this, please hit that like button. And if you guys don't want to miss next week, please hit that subscribe button. Because next week, the structure kicks in.